Today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Now, alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 191 different strategies, with 61 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 82 of the other strategies that we have put it against, every single strategy so far. We've also tested a total of 999 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. The source video says best and most profitable scalping strategy on TradingView, game-changing strategy. Quite a boisterous claim, and of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. Let's go ahead and hide these two indicators. Here, the first indicator we will add to the screen. It's going to be the UT bots alerts, this one right here. You'll add that to the screen, and then we'll jump into the settings real quick, and under the inputs, you're going to change the key value to 3, and you're going to change the ATR period to 2. Click OK, and you should see these buy and sell signals like before, but in a little bit different positions now. The next indicator you'll add to the screen is going to be the volume supported linear regression trend indicator, this one right here. Click that and add it to the chart, and again we'll go ahead and jump into the settings. The inputs we are going to leave the way they are. Under the plots, we are going to turn off this plot here, this second plot. So here's the first one, here's the second one. And we'll make a slight change again here in just a moment. So what we're looking for with a buy signal is we are looking for the buy tag from the UT bot, and then we are looking for the volume supported linear regression to be in the green color. Now, if you look here, you can see that there is these dull red colors here and these bright, vibrant red colors there. Let me scroll back a little bit here. You can see we have the bright, vibrant green colors and the dull green colors right here. What we're looking for specifically when we get the buy signal is for there to be a bright, vibrant green color. So what we're going to do is under the plots, this color 2 right here, we're going to turn the opacity down all the way. And the color 5, we're going to turn the opacity down all the way. And now you can see that we have some breaks in the histogram bars here. And so now we have just the bright, vibrant colors being displayed. And so when we get a buy tag now, we're going to look down and look for a green bar to appear. And it should be one of the bright, vibrant ones. And you see that we get that right here. Once those two line up, that's going to be our signal to enter into a long. Set our long right here, and we'll put our stop right below the last swing, the last kind of pivot here, and then we will target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Should be good. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. Alright, you see that we get a nice climb up there, getting us to our take profit. Alright, and for a short trade, again, we're looking for that sell signal, like this right here. We're then going to look down and we're going to look for a red bar to be present. And again, this should be the bright, vibrant red bar, as you can see here. It's going to be our entry into our short, or a signal into a short trade. We're then going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop right above the last pivot. And we are going to target the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Right there should do. Let's play this forward and see what we get. And you see that we make a nice climb down, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 13 winning trades and 37 losing trades, putting it at a 26% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $7,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Total drawdown would have been $14,800 for a total loss of $7,000 altogether. Definitely not the most profitable scalping strategy. I think this might be one of the worst strategies that we have tested so far. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 43 trades altogether. We had 37 winning trades and 6 losing trades, putting it at an 86% win rate. That was about 3 weeks worth of testing. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $22,200. On the losing side, you would have lost $4,680 for a total gain of $17,520. Significantly better scalping strategy. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. And you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. Let's go ahead and look at the weekly signals here. And so this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we keep track of the signals we would have gotten. And so on the Forex pairs for this last week, we had 7 trades, 1 winning trade, 6 losing trade, putting it at a 14% win rate. Would have been a drawdown of 4,380 on the crypto coin. We had 1 trade, 1 losing trade. That would have been a drawdown of 780. And so for the week, we would have been down $5,160. But for the 12-week total, we are still up $17,980. So still at a decent profit. And this is just the reality of trading. You're going to have some good weeks and some bad weeks. And this one was especially nasty. The market just was not cooperating with us. And so, all right, that's it for this strategy here. This one is definitely going to go on the no list. I do not recommend it at all. And we will move on to the next video from here.